Hey everyone, welcome back. Just going to do an unboxing here of a Garmin GPS. I think it's a DriveSmart 65. Yep, Garmin DriveSmart 65. As you may know, in following my YouTube channel, that I typically use Magellan, because back in the day I found Magellan, the program seemed to be, the layout and the way it worked was more to my liking. So anyway, Canadian Tire doesn't carry Magellan anymore. Seems like Garmin has taken over the market. It is available, Magellan is available, but Amazon is promoting Garmin more, Canadian Tire and other spots. So, and I guess Garmin has come a long way in their development of and the way things work. I guess they've improved their programming and stuff like that. So this is the Garmin. Now with Magellan, it seems like once you make your purchase, 3 years after purchase, you have no more update ability. There's the thing for the windshield, and power cord, and the connection for your computer. And this goes into the back of the unit that attaches to the suction cup. And some more literature here. So anyway, not to belabor the video, but I am going to be doing a video on updating this. Apparently it'll work Wi-Fi, so you can connect to your Wi-Fi in your home once this gets the information. So you download the Garmin app, I guess, onto your phone or onto your laptop, whatever you're going to use. You can connect it to your laptop via this, I guess, and it'll charge the unit, and it'll also communicate with your laptop, I'm assuming. Now with Garmin, my understanding is that their update, this is how the updates work. Best I can tell from my reading, this is how it works. You buy the product, and once you plug it into your computer, it registers it, I guess, as a newer or new unit. And then you have to update your unit once every 2 years. So in a 2 years time period, if you don't plug this in and let the computer communicate with the program, the Garmin program, and do whatever fixes or tweaks it got to do, or updates, if you don't do that within 2 years, then it considers the unit not in use, and it's no longer gets updates. However, if every year you plug in this unit for the next 10 years, it'll recognize the unit, of course, it registers it, recognizes how old it is and all that, and it'll continue with the updates. That is my understanding. However, I'd say the caveat would be, once the firmware of this unit gets so old, they'll probably say, well, we can no longer update it because it's not as powerful as it should be. Possibly. So I'm hoping to get 10 years of updates out of this, and if I can take care of the unit with 10 years of updates, that'll put me out to 15, 16 years of being able to use this. See, the problem is not living in a rural area looking for places, because you commonly know where you're going anyway. It's when you're out of town in different cities and in different provinces, and indeed going around the world. You could put this in your suitcase and get a rental in Texas or in Mexico and use this. And so if it's updated, it's still going to be helpful to you. So that's how the lifetime update works with Garmin. As for Magellan, I think they fell off the radar. It was 3 years and that was it. I managed to get 2 updates on the last Magellan I had, and then the next update that I would have gotten would have cost me $120 Canadian. And I guess that update would have been good for a few years, because like typically I only travel the island of Newfoundland. But if you ever go outside, there's always roads being built every day and new pets being found, and of course they have to keep up with it. So this is the Garmin DriveSmart 65, just a quick unboxing with the hardware. And the next video I'll do will be of this, not the next video that I'll do, but the next video that I'll do of this Garmin unit will be me actually for the first time creating the Garmin account, getting the proper app, going through step by step, and showing you how this updates. And hopefully in the future, like I say, every year when I come back to this unit to update it, I'll be able to do future videos, and we'll see how far we can get with our lifetime update program. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll be talking to you soon.